Private placement process under Companies Act, 2013. Board meeting. The Board of Directors must conduct a meeting wherein details of the proposed transaction involving issuance of securities are laid out. The Board, after discussion, must pass a resolution approving the private placement, attaching relevant information such as the number of securities to be issued, the price of securities, minimum subscription amount, the name of the proposed subscribers, and other relevant details which are proposed to be initiated. Disclosure to stock exchange. Only public companies are mandated to give notice to stock exchange, whereas private companies need not make any such disclosure. Prepare private placement offer letter. A private placement offer letter, PPOL, should be prepared, disclosing relevant information about the proposed offer, including the number of securities, issue price, terms of payment, terms of redemption, the name of the proposed subscribers, and other relevant details. The PPOL draft must include relevant details, as non-disclosure may attract penalties or amount to rejection. Circulate PPOL. An application form should be provided for subscription to the investors attached with the offer letter. It is mandatory that the PPOL be circulated only to the investors who are eligible to subscribe to the securities, and the company should ensure that such PPOL is not circulated to more than 200 people in a financial year. File Form PAS4. Filing of Form PAS4 should be made to the ROC which has enclosures pertaining to details of PPOL within 30 days of subsequent circulation. It is relevant to note that such form must be filed before issuance of securities. File Form PAS5. Filing of Form PAS5 should be made to the ROC which has enclosures pertaining to details of subscription amount received within 15 days of subsequent circulation. It is relevant to note that such form must be filed before issuance of securities. Allotment of securities. Issuance of securities must be made within 60 days after receiving the subscription amount. The issuance must be made in accordance with the terms and conditions mentioned in the PPOL. File Form PAS3. Filing of Form PAS3 should be made to the ROC which has enclosures pertaining to details of allotment made on the basis of terms described in PPOL and the details of all such allotees within 15 days of subsequent allotment. It is relevant to note that such form must be filed after allotment of securities is completed in entirety. Issue share certificates. The company should issue share certificates to the allotees within 2 months of the allotment. The share certificates should be issued in accordance with the terms and conditions mentioned in the PPOL. Payment of stamp duty. Relevant stamp duty payment on the issue of securities must be made. The stamp duty should be paid in accordance with the stamp duty laws applicable in the state where the company is registered. Filing of returns. The company shall, within 30 days thereafter, file with the registrar a return of allotment in Form PAS3, along with the fee as specified in the company's registration offices and fees rules, 2014. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for latest content.